Hey everyone! Welcome back to How to Install Zone, where we make streaming your favorite shows and channels super easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install and watch Syfy on your Fire Stick. Whether you're into sci-fi, fantasy, horror, or thrilling TV shows, Syfy is the app for you. Stick around because I'll also share why the Syfy app is a must-have for binge watchers like you. So, what is Syfy? If you're a fan of speculative mythology, futuristic tech, zombies, monsters, or even witchcraft, Syfy is your ultimate destination. This NBCUniversal channel streams live TV, movies, and the latest TV episodes. And guess what? With the Syfy app, you can enjoy all this content on demand, plus more from NBCUniversal networks like E!, USA, and Telemundo. To watch Syfy on FireStick, all you need is your TV provider's login or an NBCUniversal profile. Providers like Xfinity, Dish, DirecTV, and many others work seamlessly with the app. Creating an NBCUniversal profile also lets you save shows, build a watch list, and even pick up a paused show from where you left off. Sounds amazing, right? The Syfy app comes loaded with great features. Save content, add shows to your watch list for quick access. Latest episodes. Watch TV show episodes just one day after they air. Pause and resume. Start watching on one device and pick it up later. User-friendly design. Easily navigate and filter shows by genre or network. Whether you're in the mood for live TV, a suspenseful thriller, or even a reality show from E!, Syfy has it all. Now let's get to the good part, how to install Syfy on your Fire Stick. Follow these simple steps. On your Fire Stick home screen, click Find and then Search. Type Syfy in the search box and select it from the results. Click the Syfy app tile. Hit Download and wait for the app to install. Once installed, click Open. That's it. You're all set to start exploring the world of Syfy. And there you have it, folks. A complete guide to installing and watching Syfy on your Fire Stick. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more streaming tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which Syfy show or movie you're most excited to watch. Until next time, happy streaming!